Hello, today we are going to talk about this Blackmagic cloud pod. So this is not a newer product. Yes, it is new, but it's been out there for a little while now. This is basically unboxing, and let's open it up to see. There's a lot of videos that people talk about, how to use this and stuff. So I'm not going to go in detail. I'm just going to open up and see how quick and how easy it is to set this up. Let's have a look. So as usual, Blackmagic, you're greeted with this Blackmagic sticker is a little bigger. That is smaller than I expected it to be. And this is power brick. That's a bit bigger. But here it is. Let's open this up. There we go. That's it. Feels a bit sticky. I don't know why. I think it's just material. So that has got 12 volt DC, 10 gig Ethernet, disk 1, disk 2, USB-C ports, and a monitor out. It's really simple. Here I have got, let's plug this in first. Let's plug this in. There we go. That's similar to the ATM Mini Pros and Streaming Bridge. It's the same kind. As soon as I plug this in, there's like a fan noise. I don't know if you can hear, it's like a fan noise there. It's not too much, but it is there. So there's nothing going on. Let me plug. I have a monitor here, like a portable monitor. Let me try. Okay, HDMI monitor out. There we go. As soon as I plugged that in, this came up. As soon as I plug this in, it says no local drive attached. Connect drive via USB-C. Yes, we can do that. There we go. As soon as I plug the 1 terabyte SSD Samsung T7, oops, if you can see, there we go. It's Samsung T7. And as soon as I plugged in, it picked it up within a few seconds, not even a few seconds. It's a 1 terabyte hard drive. I've got only like 0.8 information data stored in the hard drive. I can see, so it says USB 1 terabyte drive stored, and the internet is off. Cell size is 0.2 GB. I think they're talking about these little cells. So each cell is 0.2 GB, and then USB 2 is empty. I mean, not empty, nothing connected to it, and cloud sync and user activity. So this user activity is how many users who are connected to the cloud pod. I think that's it. There's nothing nothing too complicated or anything. Once I start using this, I will share this, how it works, what's the performance and stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will definitely let you know after using this for a week or a month how this performed. Thank you for watching.